In the product of powers, if you have a term a to the power m, it is multiplied with a to the power n. The bases are same and they are multiplied and the powers will add. So a power m plus n. So this is known as a product of powers. Next is a power of power. Power of power is a power m. And then you whole take the power n. So the powers will multiply. 8 power mn. Next is power of a product again, but when you have a two numbers like a and b, they are two numbers or two terms maybe, that the power m, I can separate the power a power m into b power m. Negative exponent, in the negative exponent if you have a something power negative, so this can be written as a 1 over that term to the power in a positive form because we shift to the negative. Next is zero exponent. Zero exponent is something power 0 is 1. Make sure a is not 0. You can't say 0 power 0 is 1. But any non-zero number, it may be positive, negative, rational, irrational, to the power 0 is 1 and a is non-zero. The next is a over b to the whole power, and that's a coefficient. I can rewrite it as a power m over b power m. Okay, and if you have this, I can write a power m over a power n. They both are quotients. In this, base were different, so we separate the power. In the next, bases are same. I can arrange the power in a single term. The denominator power should go to the numerator and it changed to negative. It will be a power m minus n. And if denominator 0, this term is not defined. So therefore, in this case, b can be 0 and in this case, a cannot be 0.